Behold the Hawk Crossing. It stands for High Intensity Activated Crosswalk. The way this crossing works is you press a button to cross and the signal runs through several phases. For pedestrians, it's not much different than crossing at a typical stoplight. For drivers, when someone presses the button, the signal will run down several phases. A flashing or solid yellow to warn drivers to slow down, followed by a solid red light to stop, then a wig-wag double red flashes back and forth, indicating that drivers may proceed if there are no pedestrians crossing. Basically, it's a stoplight with extra steps. It's admittedly not terrible for the same reason that crossing at a typical stoplight isn't terrible, and studies have found that it does reduce pedestrian and vehicle crashes. However, the Hawk Crossing may cause some confusion in its last light sequence. A double flashing red is also used for train crossings and school buses to indicate that you must remain stopped. It's strange that a Hawk Crossing does not follow the same convention, and I have seen drivers linger on the double red, which would actually be appropriate in other scenarios. The system places a lot of emphasis on user compliance. Drivers are expected to know what these signals mean, and there are instructions that they absolutely should not be stopping to read. Pedestrians are expected to press the button, otherwise the Hawk signal will not activate while they're crossing. It all feels rather over-engineered. If you're going to create a special signal with 3 lights to make crossing safer, why not just include a pedestrian-activated stoplight for the crosswalk? It would achieve the same result without an unfamiliar signal pattern. With that said, I also don't want to ignore the deeper issue here. The Hawk crossings I am showing are built on what are essentially highways. This one specifically is built on the infamous State Route 99. Ideally, people wouldn't have to cross a busy thoroughfare because they wouldn't be living near one. This is why it is important to not concentrate density along arterials with fast-moving traffic. As more homes and mixed-use developments surround arterials like State Route 99, it will need more than just a Hawk crossing to keep pedestrians safe. It will need a revision that reduces vehicle speeds and reduces the number of vehicles on the road. A Hawk crossing may help improve safety for the occasional pedestrian who is trying to cross, but it is ultimately a band-aid fix, not a supplement to a more substantial revision that would better accommodate the increased density along the road.